In winter the weather is very cold, and dogs become more sensitive during bath time. Cold season makes bath time more uncomfortable for them. Thankfully, here are some simple and easy ways to bath your dog in winter. Always bathe your dog indoors during winter. Bathroom or laundry area is best. Avoid bathing your dog outside because cold wind and freezing temperature can make them chilled very quickly. Brush first to remove loose fur, dirt, knots and tangles. Brushing makes washing easier and helps shampoo spread evenly. This also reduces shedding and hair mess inside your tub. Brushing also keeps coat smoother and prevents matting in winter. Never use hot water or cold water. Lukewarm water is perfect. Hot water can burn skin, and cold water can shock the dog's body in winter. Check temperature with your hand before pouring. Use dog shampoo, which is mild, skin-friendly and winter moisturizing formula. Harsh formulas dry out skin more in winter, which causes itching, flakes and skin irritation. Choose shampoos that support natural skin oil balance. Winter moisture shampoo protects dog coat softness and comfort. Apply shampoo in small quantity. Massage gently in circles, but do not scrub roughly. Keep shampoo time short in winter so your dog does not stay wet too long. Rinse shampoo well so no chemical is left behind. Any soap residue causes dryness and itching. Conditioner helps keep coat soft, detangled and moisturized. Winter air is dry and conditioner protects skin barrier. Leave-in conditioner can also be used if recommended for your dog breed. Use 2 thick towels. First towel to soak extra water, second towel to dry deeper layers. Gently rub coat in sections. Do not leave dog dripping water because they lose body heat fast. After towel drying, use hair dryer at low heat to completely dry coat. Move dryer continuously and don't point on one spot for long time. Never leave dog half wet in winter. After bath, keep your dog inside home for minimum 1 hour. Allow them to rest on soft blanket or warm bed. Do not take them outside walking immediately because body temperature is still adjusting. Give treats, praise and cuddles after the bath. This increases positive behavior and helps them feel good about bath time. Positive reward training makes next bath easier and less stressful. By following these easy steps and gentle handling, you can keep your dog clean, warm, safe and comfortable during cold winter months.